Fungi. Fungi are the organisms that lack chlorophyll and feed on dead and decaying matters. Fungi grow on foodstuff, leather shoes, etc. during the rainy season. Fungi may be unicellular or multicellular. Yeasts and molds are examples of fungi. Mushroom is an example of common mold that grows on dead and decaying matters in fields and dunghills. Benefits of fungi. Yeasts are used in the preparation of bread, cake, dhokla, idli, etc. Mushrooms are eaten as a food. Penicillin, an antibiotic, is derived from fungus. Different flavors in the cheese are obtained by adding different fungus. Harmful effects of fungi. Fungi cause diseases like ringworm, eczema, etc. They spoil food materials and are responsible for the decomposition of leather. Protozoa. Protozoa are the group of single-celled organisms. Amoeba, Paramecium, Plasmodium, etc. are some of the examples of protozoa. Benefits of protozoa. Protozoa are useful in the scientific research. They are used in the study of cell divisions and regeneration. They decompose organic matter and hence useful for cleaning the environment. Protozoa also serve as food to aquatic organisms. Harmful effects of protozoa. Amoeba and Plasmodium causes amoebic dysentery and malaria respectively. Elephantiasis is also caused by a protozoan. Bacteria. Bacteria are among the simplest and oldest organisms on earth. They are found everywhere, in air, water, food, soil, and even within the body of animals and plants. Benefits of bacteria. Bacteria help in making curd and cheese. They help animals to digest cellulose. They decompose organic matters and increase the fertility of soil. Bacteria are helpful in pre-treatment of leather for making leather goods. Harmful effects of bacteria. Bacteria cause a number of diseases. For example, Vibrio cholera causes cholera, Corynebacterium diphtheriae causes diphtheria, Salmonella typhosa causes typhoid, Mycobacterium leprae causes leprosy, Mycobacterium tuberculosis causes tuberculosis or TB. Many other diseases like plague, pneumonia, dysentery, etc. are also caused by bacteria. Viruses. Viruses are the smallest microorganisms. They can be seen only under the electron microscope. Viruses grow and reproduce only inside a living cell. Outside the living cell, they remain inactive and behave as non-living entities. Thus they are known as the connecting link between the living and non-living things. Harmful effects of viruses. Viruses cause diseases like smallpox, chickenpox, jaundice, polio, dengue, AIDS, etc. Vaccine is a dose of inactivated disease-causing organisms. When it is introduced in the body, our immune system responds against them and then remembers it specifically. The next time when those microorganisms enter our body, the immune system responds more vigorously. Due to vaccination programs, we are able to eradicate disease like smallpox from the world. Polio is also eradicated from our country. Algae. Algae are simple, plant-like organisms which are usually aquatic in nature. Algae are unicellular or multicellular with simple structures. They contain chlorophyll and thus can prepare their own food. Algae are found in hot water streams, walls, rocks, etc. Benefits of algae. Algae are used as food. Algae are used to prepare filters, glass and china clay. Gelidium, a type of algae, is served as part of a salad, puddings, jams and other culinary dishes. Harmful effects of algae. Algae decrease the depth and the quality of water in the water bodies. They make the surface slippery and thus cause accidents.
Antibiotics. The term antibiotics was coined by Salman Waksman in 1942. antibiotics are chemical substances that kill microorganisms or slow down their growth. Although antibiotics are useful for a wide variety of infections, yet they are effective only against bacterial infections. The first antibiotic was penicillin, discovered accidentally from a mold culture. Tetracycline and streptomycin are the commonly used antibiotics. When some pathogenic agents enter the body, our immune cells produce numerous antibodies to fight these foreign agents. A vaccine is made from weakened or killed forms of microbes, which stimulates the body's immune system to recognize the agent as foreign and to destroy it and remember it, so that the immune system can more easily recognize and destroy these microorganisms that it encounters in future. Fertile soil is one which has abundance of minerals and plant nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Soil fertility can be increased by nitrogen-fixing bacteria like Rhizobium, Nostoc, Cyanobacteria, etc. Soil fertility can also be improved by using fertilizers. Communicable disease. These are the diseases which can be spread from an infected person to a healthy person through direct contact or through water, air, or food. For example, common cold, flu, chickenpox, etc.
The table given here shows some common human diseases caused by microorganisms.
Food poisoning. Food poisoning is an infectious disease which is caused by swallowing contaminated food or drinking dirty water. Typical symptoms include nausea, vomiting, abdominal cramping, and diarrhea that occur suddenly after consuming a contaminated food item or drink. Depending on the level of contaminant, fever with chills, stool with blood, dehydration, and nervous system damage may follow. Most cases of food poisoning are due to common bacteria such as Staphylococcus